I want to tell you about our libraries and research centers. More than 10 years, Linguistics University has become a good house for several cultural and information research centers. Russian, German, French, Turkish, Japanese, Chinese, Slavic languages, Swiss, Italian and Spanish libraries. Their foundation was possible due to joint activities, initiatives of Linguistics University and the support from embassies of the USA, France, Germany and Japan, and here in Russia and some non-governmental international organizations. All Vostok Library Center are equipped with the necessary literature. In addition to books, the library subscribes to a great number of the foreign magazines and newspapers every year. And now, the centers are not only places with the collection of literature, but places to meet with the professors from foreign partner universities, diplomats from embassies, and other people. The centers and libraries are very important component for students and scholars. They promote the university philosophy of learning languages through cultures and facilitate intercultural communication.
Some of us don't live with their parents, so the students have a great chance to live in a hostel. The students of our university come from different parts of Russia and from other countries. The university provides accommodation for the majority of them, but still there are not enough places at the two university hostels, and quite many students have to rent rooms. Foreign students are offered a single or double room, so there they have all conveniences. Some foreign students can live in dormitory, which is situated right or next to the university. And the dormitory consists of buildings in the downtown of Nizhny Novgorod. In every single room there are bookshelves and tables and of course wardrobes and so other conveniences. But some prefer to stay in Russian families, so they can develop their skills and develop their outlook, and of course they can communicate with native speakers.
Our university offers a wide range of activities. If you are motivated to do something, to take a part in something special, you should check out all the clubs that we have. For example, we have a sport club called Phoenix, we have a literature club, we have a vocal studio called Impulse. We also have an art center, a rock band called Next Time, dance clubs, a leadership school, and so on. Anyone can find something interesting just for them. You just have to search well. So if you want it, you should go and get it. You know how they say, where the heart is willing, it will find 1,000 ways.
How you have already understood, we are in the Linguistic University of Nizhny Novgorod. It is one of the best linguistics universities in our country. If you choose to learn foreign modern languages, you should join this one. It's famous for its high academic standards. Well, but here you will not only become a very good education and knowledge of foreign languages, but also you have a very nice possibility to keep fit and to lead a healthy lifestyle. So now we are in our gym. Here you can try your hand in football, basketball, in volleyball, and the list of sport activities is really endless. So our university provides a lot of various sport competitions, and when you want to take part in them, you should organize your own team and train, and of course try to win. I should also say some words about our sport club. Its name is Phoenix. The head of this club is Oleg Tigunov. So if you want to take part in active, when you want to take an active part in the social life of our university, or to be a volunteer, so you should join it and enjoy the friendly atmosphere. Sport plays a very important role in the life of our university.
Hello, And now, let's go to one of the wonderful places in our university. Guess, where can we have a good rest? Where can we feel freedom? Of course, in our canteen. Welcome to our paradise! Here, we can eat delicious and tasty food. Chicken, potatoes, vegetable, fruit, pancakes. Oh, so fantastic and delicious. Also, we can sit here and communicate with each other. We can drink tea and coffee, discuss our problems, and make the decisions. So our canteen is very comfortable and very cozy, and this is the second home for me.
Students spend a lot of time studying, but they do not only study, they take an active part in the social life of the university. The Linguistic University provides a lot of entertainment programs and leisure activities for its students. For example, there is a sport and health camp called Linguist. It's situated in a pinery at the Gorkovsky Reservoir. Sportsmen and just people who enjoy sport activities have the possibility to get some energy and take care of their health before the upcoming academic year. The program of the camp is full of cultural, sport and touristic events. Speaking of tourism, here at the Linguistic University we have a tourist club called Robinson. It was founded in 1979 and thrives to this day. People at the club make trips to Ural, Altai, Baikal and many other places. Some people who have already graduated in the university still take an active part in the club. And that's understandable. Gondolas, drive for adventures and good friends unite us. Make sure not to miss out.
I want to tell you about such a wonderful and mysterious place as a student union. It is situated in the Linguistic University on the third floor in room number 1410. The student pedagogical group and trade union committee hold different meetings here. I'm a member of the student pedagogical group Respect. Our students pedagogical group was formed on the 27th October 2006. We organize a lot of campaigns and arrangements, other different entertainments. Each month the members of the student pedagogical group visit the boarding school for children visually impaired. We also work as team leaders in camps and as animators. Now the leader of the student pedagogical group is Evgenia Sidorova. The leader is elected every year by the members of the pedagogical group. Respect is a big life. Our pedagogical group is really friendly. Each person has a special talent. We can sing, dance, and we can organize different events. You can always find support and help here.
The Linguistic University has its own drama school. It is called Ulgun, and now I want to tell you about it. The drama school of the Linguistic University was founded in 2009. During its existence, the drama school had 10 premieres. The latest performance was the play The Father, written by Gorky. The members of the school are all gifted persons from all the faculties and years of the university. The producer of the school is Valery Pavlovich Rukov, an actor of the Comedy Theatre, an energetic and persistent man. He helps students to get into the character, to understand his motives and ideas. The members of the school take active part in the social life of the university. They attend all the rehearsals and work tooth and nails and never fall behind their study group. The drama school runs the plays not only in the university. It's a permanent participant of the theatre festivals. Every play needs a lot of forces. The costume should be sewn, the decorations should be painted. Everybody put their heart into the work. The members of the theatre school are in earnest about the preparation for the play.
See you soon, my friends! And remember, our university is really in progress because professors update the courses every year, so stay tuned.